Alright guys, I greet you all. Welcome to my channel. This is the episode where I told you guys that I will be explaining how my system works, how my strategy works and all that. And also that I will be buying a Profem challenge. Here is the Profem challenge. I already bought the Profem challenge and I choose to go with good funded trader. I've not traded this prop firm before, so it's not like I'm advertising them. So I just got this. This is my first account with them. So I don't know how good it is. So until I trade with them and see how it is, that is when I can, you know, recommend or not. But for now, I'm not recommending anybody to buy the prop firm. I just like them based on one or two things that I see in their platform. So I decided to go with them for this my challenge. So I bought a 5K account. If you look at it here, you will see that I've not done anything with the account. I bought this account yesterday, as you can see. You see, no trades, nothing. You know. So I'll be using this account for this challenge. And I hope that you guys still remember why we are on this challenge. It's just to sharpen our edge, to sharpen our strategy. You know. So instead of trading with demo, I decided to go with this um profile, you know. So it will be more real to me and I will be more serious with this challenge. So with that being said, let's now go to my um trading view. Let's see what uh we have here. So based on my trading pattern, I said I'll be explaining my trading pattern to you guys so that all of you can, you know, hold me accountable while I'm trading. You know, first of all, I changed my strategy. First of all, I changed my strategy doesn't mean I don't trade supply and demand anymore. I still trade supply and demand and smart money concept. Everything that I trade in the old strategy, I still implement them in this new strategy, you know. But now, this is what I look for, you know. If I have my point of interest, let's say I have my point of interest here. This is my point of interest, you know. So when the market get there, so this is my point of interest. So when market get there like this, instead of me, you know, going to the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame to just wait for a low, a pullback, a break, and coming back here for me to sell. You know, this is what I'll be looking for now. And my point of interest now can be anywhere. I can get my point of interest from 15 minutes time frame. I can get my point of interest. I can get my point of interest from um 30 minutes time from 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours daily, you know. My point of interest can be Asian high and low liquidity, previous day, previous week, uh high and low liquidity, swing low, swing high liquidity. All of that can be my point of interest. So when market get to my point of interest like this, let's say the market get to my point of interest like this, what I will, instead of looking for this confirmation, what I'll be looking for now in my new system is I will go down to the to lower time frame and I will wait for something like this. A break, and then a break of structure to the downside. Okay. A pullback to this zone is where I'll be having my entry. Any place, anywhere I saw my indecision candle, you know, from here. Anywhere I saw my indecision candle from here is where I will be taking my sell from. This will be my point of interest. You know. It it just um it's just the confirmation on the new course that I'm going through right now. Like I told you guys in my last video that I'm going through mentorship. You know, so after testing that my strategy up and down, I found out that the strategy, you know, is kind of the win rate is not that good. And I always go for 1:2, 1:2. I think that 1:2 is keeping me in kind of disadvantage. So I needed a strategy that I will go for higher RR, like 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, 1:6. And if I show you guys the trade that I caught with this pattern yesterday, I traded it and I posted it in my YouTube channel. If you go to my post yesterday post being Tuesday, you will see the trade. I posted all of them. As I'm taking the trade live, I was posting it on YouTube here. You know. Okay, this is the trade that I was able to, catch with this my strategy yesterday. You know, I was able to catch this drop on the 15 minutes time frame. You know, so after this sell, I was able to catch this buys on 5 minutes time frame. This buy, yeah, I was able to catch this buy from here, targeted this high, you know. And when this market create this high, sweep this liquidity that is here and pull back, I was still able to catch to enter another position from this demand level that is here, this demand level here, and I was able to catch it from here again to that same point. So this is the three trade that I took yesterday. First, this sell and these two buys. So today, I haven't seen um a good setup on Euro USD, but I'm on a trade on GBP USD right now. If you look at it, you will see I'm on a buy, though the buy is still, kind of laying and playing around, you know. So this is my strategy, and it's not that difficult, So I'm still going through the mentorship, though. I'm still going through the mentorship. So, uh, but I want to continue with this my challenge, So, but the mentorship will end soon. Was supposed to end the first week of July, but then the guy he said he have to give us a grace of extra 1 week, which means we are still going to, you know, uh, study this week and next week. Once I'm done with the mentorship, with the class, I will still let you guys know. But for now, let me update you guys on how my system works. So I'll be ending this video here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, I will not be our documentary will be starting next week, not this week. I have to put some things in place how I'm going to trade this account and everything. And I'll still in my next week video, I'm still going to uh table everything for you guys. Um if I'll be risking 1% or half percent on the file on the account, if I'll be breaking even and all that. By the time the main video, the documentary video starts, I will explain all these things to you guys so that all of us we flow together. Okay, so that is that. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.